Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the problems on multiple and submultiple angles. First problem, we continue the problems in the previous class continuation. Okay, first problem here in this class, prove that sine 2 theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to cot theta. Sine 2 theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to cot theta. Here LHS, what is the LHS? Sin 2 theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta. So we have to prove that equal to cot theta. So formula we have sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. Instead of a here we have theta, so it is 2 sin theta into cos theta. And next in denominator cos 2a form, cos 2a equal to 2 sin square a. Instead of theta a here theta, so 2 sin square theta. Means two formulas sin 2a 2 sin a into cos a and 1 minus cos 2a 2 sin square a. Formula substitution, instead of a we are writing theta. Okay, here 2 cancel, sin theta sin square cancel. So cos theta by sin theta. We have remaining cos theta by sin theta. Okay, 2 cancel, sin theta square cancel, cos theta by sin theta, that is cot theta is the RHS. Okay, sin 2 theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to what? Cot theta. Only two formulas, sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a and 1 minus cos 2a formulas, substitute and simplify, we get the answer. Next problem, tan 2 theta by 1 plus sec 2 theta equal to tan theta. Okay, tan 2 theta by 1 plus sec 2 theta equal to tan theta proved. LHS tan 2 theta by 1 plus sec 2 theta. So tan 2 theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta, that is sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta, and sec 2 theta equal to 1 by cos 2 theta, that is by 1 plus 1 by cos 2 theta. Sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So 2 theta undi kabatti em vastundi 1 by cos 2 theta. So in the denominator here cos 2 theta is LCM, numerator is as it is same, sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta, by here cos 2 theta is LCM, so cos 2 theta plus 1, and here cos 2 theta cancel, sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. Sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. Formula sin 2 theta formula 2 sin theta into cos theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta formula 2 cos square theta. Okay, simplification 2 sin theta into cos theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta means 2 cos square theta. 2 cancel, cos theta square cancel. So sin theta by cos theta, that equal to tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta means tan theta, that is RHS. Okay, here first we simplified sin theta in terms of sin by cos and sec theta 1 by cos terms, and simplifying and writing sin 2 theta formula and 1 plus cos 2 theta formula and answer. Next, homework problems, prove that 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta equal to tan theta. Okay, substitute 1 minus cos 2 theta formula, sin 2 theta formula and simplify. Next, sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to tan theta. Okay, these two problems, do the homework problems. Next problem, prove that tan of pi by 4 plus theta minus tan of pi by 4 minus theta equal to 2 into tan 2 theta. 2 into tan 2 theta. So LHS tan pi by 4 plus theta minus tan of pi by 4 minus theta. Pi by 4 means 45 degrees, pi by 4. Pi means 180 degrees by 4, pi by 4 means we get 45. Okay, tan of 45 plus theta minus tan of 45 minus theta. Next it is tan of a plus b formula, it is tan of a minus b formula. Okay, tan of a plus b formula, tan of a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b, tan of a minus b formula, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Okay, here a means 45, b means theta. What is the a value? 45 degrees and b equal to theta. Substitute tan of a plus b, it is tan pi by 4. Tan of 45 plus theta, tan of a plus b, it is tan of a minus b. 45 minus theta means tan of a minus b. So substitute in this, we get tan a means tan 45 plus tan b means tan theta by 1 minus tan a means tan 45 into tan theta. Similarly, it is tan of a minus b, tan 45 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan 45 into tan theta. And what about tan 45 value? 1. In all, in this tan 45 equal to 1. So 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta minus 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. And what about LCM? 1 minus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta, LCM. 1 minus cancel, we get 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta. Here 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta cancel, 1 minus tan theta into 1 minus tan theta. Okay, 1 minus tan theta into 1 minus tan theta. And 1 plus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta means 1 plus tan theta whole square. 1 minus tan theta into 1 minus tan theta means 1 minus tan theta whole square. Here 1 plus minus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta means a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, that is 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, simplification here. 1 plus tan theta whole square, 1 minus tan theta whole square is 1 square minus tan square theta. So simplification, it is a plus b whole square, a square, 1 square means 1, b square tan square theta minus plus 2ab, 2 into tan theta, minus it is a minus b whole square, a square means 1 plus b square means tan square theta minus 2ab minus 2 tan theta. Denominator is as it is 1 minus tan square theta. So simplification, 1 plus tan square theta plus 2 tan theta minus, multiply with minus here, minus 1 minus tan square theta minus plus 2 tan theta. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel, tan square theta minus tan square theta cancel, 2 tan theta, 2 tan theta, 4 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. And this 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Okay, 2 into 2. Next step, 4 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. This 2 tan theta into 1 minus tan square theta formula tan 2a. Tan 2a equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Instead of a, here we have theta. So it is tan 2 theta formula, that is 2 into tan 2 theta, that is RHS. Okay, this is the answer. First we did here, what we did, pi by 4 means 45, that is tan 45 plus theta, tan of 45 minus theta. So tan of a plus b formula, tan of a minus b formula, and substitute tan 45 value is 1 and LCM, take LCM and simplify, and here to tan 2 theta formula, you get the answer. Okay, next, prove that sin 3 theta by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta equal to sin theta. Sin 3 theta by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta equal to sin theta. So LHS sin 3 theta by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. What is the sin 3 theta formula? Sin 3a formula, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Here instead of a, here we have theta. So that is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. 1 plus 2 into cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2a formula, 1 minus 2 sin square a. We have total 4 formulas for cos, but we have to get answer in sin. So I am taking this formula, 1 minus 2 sin square a. Instead of a, here we have theta. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta. you have to simplify. Okay, multiply with 2. Okay, in the numerator it is a sin 3 theta formula, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, and here cos 2 theta formula, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So simplification only remaining. Okay, I am remaining here. If you multiply denominator simplification, I will do 1 plus 2 into 1 2 minus 2 into 2 4 sin square theta. Okay, 1 plus 2 minus 4 into sin square theta. 1 plus 2 minus 4 sin square theta. And in the numerator, sin theta is common. Sin theta common means we get 3 minus 4 sin square theta. 1 sin theta can come outside, means sin square theta. And 1 plus 2, what? 3 minus 4 into sin square theta. This 3 minus 4 sin square theta, 3 minus 4 sin square theta cancel out. We get sin theta, that is RHS. Okay. Here we did only sin 3 theta formula, sin 3 theta formula and cos 2a formula, and simplify we get. While why here we are taking cos 2a formula in terms of sin, means we are RHS, we have only sin theta. So I am taking sin theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay, next. Prove that sin x into sin 60 minus x into sin 60 plus x equal to 1 by 4 sin 3x. Sin x, sin 60 minus x into sin 60 plus x equal to 1 by 4 sin 3x. So what is the LHS? Sin x, sin 60 minus x into sin 60 plus x. Manak RHS is in terms of sin. Okay. For these two terms, sin 60 minus x, sin 60 plus x, what is the formula? Sin of a plus b, sin of a minus b. It is of the form sin of a minus b into a plus b into a minus b, that is sin square a minus sin square b. Here what is the a? 60 degrees. And what is the b? B is the x. Means b equal to x and capital A equal to 60. So substitute in this sin square a minus sin square b. Sin x is as it is, and sin square 60 minus sin square x. What is the sin 60 value? Sin x into root 3 by 2. Sin 60 value, that is root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square x. Okay, here sin square 60. Sin square 60 means sin 60 value root 3 by 2, that is root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square x. Sin x is as it is, root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square x. Next, root 3 by 2 whole square means 3 by 4. Sin x into 3 by 4 minus sin square x. 4 is the LCM, sin x is as it is, 3 minus 4 sin square x by 4. Okay, 4 LCM, 4 sin square x will come. So this 1 by 4 is outside, and multiply with sin x, 3 into sin x minus 4 sin cube x. That is 1 by 4 into, we have formula 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a equal to sin 3a. Instead of a, here we have x, therefore sin 3x. That is RHS, 1 by 4 sin 3x is the RHS. It is very important. We will use as a formula also. Sin x into sin 60 minus x sin 60 plus x. These two terms we are using the formula sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. That is sin square a minus sin square b. We have the formula sin square a minus sin square b because RHS is in terms of sin. We are using this formula. A equal to here, a equal to 60 and b equal to x. Therefore sin square 60 minus sin square x. Sin square 60 root 3 by 2 whole square and minus sin square x, and simplify, you get the answer. Root 3 by 2 means it is whole square. 3 by 4 minus sin square x. 4 is the LCM. 3 minus 4 sin square x by 4. Multiply with 1 by 4 is outside. Multiply with sin x. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. And this 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a equal to sine 3a, therefore 1 by 4 sine 3x. Instead of a we have x, that is RHS. Next one, similar one, instead of sine it is cos. So cos a, prove that cos a, cos 60 minus a, cos 60 plus a equal to 1 by 4 into cos 3a. Cos a, cos 60 minus a, cos 60 plus a equal to 1 by 4 into cos 3a. So LHS cos a, cos 60 minus a, cos 60 plus a, and these two terms, cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Formula we have RHS is cos, so first we have to take cos. So cos square b minus sin square a. I am using the formula cos square b because here b is a degrees and a equal to 60 degrees. Cos square b minus sin square a, that is a equal to here a equal to what 60 and b equal to what a. B equal to what a and a equal to 60 degrees. So substitute cos a as it is cos square b means cos square a, b means here a, so cos square a minus sin square 60 and sin 60 value root 3 by 2, sin 60 value cos square cos a into cos square a same, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, that is root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 by 2 whole square means 3 by 4. Okay, that will comes cos a same, cos square 3 by 4. 4 is the LCM, we get cos a as it is 4 into cos square a minus 3 by 4. This 1 by 4 is outside, multiply with 4 cos a, cos a multiply this 4 into cos square a into cos a, 4 cos cube a minus 3 into cos a, and it is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, formula cos 3a, it is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a is cos 3a, that is 1 by 4 into cos 3a, that is RHS. Okay, remember these two are as a formulas. Okay, sin a or sin x, sin 60 minus x, sin 60 plus x equal to 1 by 4 sin 3x, cos x, cos 60 minus x, cos 60 plus x equal to 1 by 4 into cos 3x. Okay, next, prove that tan a, tan 60 minus a, tan 60 plus a equal to tan 3a. It is not x, it is 3a, tan 3a. Okay, we have to prove. How it is means we have to take first result is 1 sin a, sin 60 minus a, sin 60 plus a is first result, take it as a 1, and second result cos 60 cos a, cos 60 minus a, cos 60 plus a is equation 2, and divide these two equations we get this answer. Okay, next problem, prove that cos 20, cos 40, cos 60, cos 80 degrees equal to 1 by 16. Cos 20, cos 40, cos 60, cos 80 degrees equal to 1 by 16. So LHS cos 20, cos 40, cos 60, cos 80 degrees. Cos 20 as it is, we don't know the value. Cos 40 as it is. Cos 60, cos 60 value is 1 by 2 into cos 80. 1 by 2 is the coefficient. Last time I am writing, remaining 3 cos 20, cos 40, cos 80, and this 10 can be written as next 1 by 2 into cos 20, cos 40, cos 80. Cos 1 by 2 into cos 20 as it is. Cos 40 can be written as cos 60 minus 20. 60 minus 20 means it is 40 degrees, and 80 can be written as 60 plus 20, that is cos of 60 plus 20. And it is of the form, now these three terms cos 20, cos 60 minus 20, cos 60 plus 20 is of the form cos a, cos 60 minus a, cos 60 plus a, sorry it is plus, okay, cos 60 plus a, that is 1 by 4 cos 3a. Here what is the a value? A means 20. Okay, that is 1 by 2 as it is, 1 by 4 cos 3 into 20, cos 3a, 3 into 20, 3 into 20 means cos 60, this is 1 by 2 into 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 8 into 1 by 8 into cos 60, 3 into 20, that is 60. Cos 60 value what? 1 by 2. So 1 by 8 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 16, that is RHS. Okay, here we are using the formula. In this cos 60 value, we already know that is 1 by 2, and 40 can be written as 60 minus 20, 80 can be written as 60 plus 20. So we are using cos A, cos 60 minus A, cos 60 plus A, 60 minus A, cos 60 plus A equal to 1 by 4 cos 3. That is the formula. Okay. Next problem, sin 10 degrees, sin 30 degrees, sin 50 degrees into sin 70 degrees equal to 1 by 16. Okay. LHS, sin 10 degrees, sin 30 degrees, sin 50 degrees, sin 70 degrees. Sin 10 as it is, sin 30 degrees equal to 1 by 2. Remaining is as it is. Okay. 1 by 2, last I am writing last. Sin 10 degrees, sin 50 degrees into sin 70 degrees. Next. And this 50 degrees can be written as 60 minus 10. And 70 degrees can be written as 60 plus 10. Okay. In the next step, 1 by 2 into sin 10 degrees, sin 50 means 60 minus 10, 70 means sin 60 plus 10. So we have formula sin A, sin 60 minus A, sin 60 plus A equal to 1 by 4 sin 3A. A means what here? 10 degrees. A means 10 degrees. So 1 by 2 as it is, 1 by 4 into sin 3 into 10. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 4, that is 1 by 8 into sin 3 into 10 means sin 30. What is the sin 30 value? 1 by 2. So 1 by 8 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 16. Okay. Next. Homework problems. Do the homework problems remaining. Cos 10 into cos 30, cos 50 into cos 70 equal to 3 by 16. Sin 10 into sin 50 into sin 70 equal to 1 by 8. Cos 20 into cos 30 into cos 40 into cos 80 equal to root 3 by 16. Here cos 30 value we know, cos 30 root 3 by 2. Remaining 60 can be written as 50 can be written as 60 minus 10, 70 can be written as 60 plus 10. And here also 50 means 60 minus 10, 60 plus 10. Here cos 30 okay, 40 means 60 minus 20, 80 means 60 plus 20. Okay. Do the homework problems. If you have any doubts, please send me a message or call me. And next class we are going to do remaining problems on multiple and submultiple angles. First of all, you have to, in this chapter, we have to by heart the formulas perfectly and practice the problems, then only you get ideas. Okay. Do the homework problems. Next we will do remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.